Minetek is a company that prides itself on providing innovative and cost-effective solutions, focusing on 4 key areas: underground ventilation, water management, noise control, and machinery maintenance. Minetek seamlessly unites strategy, design, project management, and delivery to achieve real, measurable results for our clients.
The cost savings in capital cost alone can be hundreds to thousands to millions, depending on the size of the system that's installed.
We're getting fantastic results. So globally, we're seeing benefits to our customer and client base in all avenues.
Established in 1972, Minetek has grown rapidly and has teams on the ground in North and South America, South Africa, Europe, and the Pacific regions.
These fans have been designed by our director, who's had 40 years within the ventilation sector, as well as our head engineer, who has an aeronautical background and acoustic engineering background. So aeronautical engineering side of it comes with the design of the fans. They tend to be closer to a jet engine than that of our competitors' standard axial fans.
A recent high-output axial fan installation at the Goldfields mine in Agnew, Western Australia has been a tremendous success.
So in less than 4 days, we were able to remove the old fans at Agnew and replace the new. The benefit of the fans that have been installed allows the mine to reduce the amount of power they need to consume for the ventilation immediately, and as far as future-proofing, they're able to turn the fans up when the ventilation requirements are needed. The net benefit for them is quite substantial, definitely it's in the millions, but still giving them flexibility when they need it to turn the power up and get the maximum ventilation.
Successful mine water management has a direct impact on a company's bottom line, and Minetek's aim is to provide solutions that lower costs while effectively managing water quality and quantity, even in the face of environmental and site challenges.
So the benefit that we've got in the water space is we provide the water evaporators, so for water management. The benefit that has over the competitors in the marketplace is we're looking at a pumping rate of 600 gallons per minute, where others are achieving approximately 100 gallons per minute. So there's a stark contrast between our product and others.
We place enormous emphasis on delivering solutions which are thoroughly tested, easy to install through our modular methodology, and that are backed up by our 100/100 customer service guarantee.
All our clients have been happy with the product. It's overperformed what we said it was going to do, being that it's been a complete turnkey process. The aftermarket support's been a huge value to them as well.
Changing out your primary ventilation infrastructure is quite disruptive, and as a site we couldn't afford to have the operation down for extended periods of time. We approached the market and asked the problem that we had, and the solution that came back from Minetek was the high output axial fan. Minetek gave us that optionality to be able to run at current speeds and then also expand later on to allow the operation to grow.
Our 100/100 customer service guarantee ensures that we had technical personnel on site for 60 days after commissioning to assist with training, maintenance and optimum performance of the fans, along with ongoing 48-hour on-site issue assessment and a 5-year maintenance plan.
Innovation is in our DNA, and that is the approach we take on any project. But at the end of the day, we need to provide a solution to help maintain compliance for our customer and logically help them make more money.